Apple, everybody wants it. Issue is the price point. और price point को affordability में दो elements के ऊपर हम काम कर रहे हैं.
As an entity, when you get the new iPhone, what happens to the sales of the older iPhone? You must have some data for this, right?
Usually the Pro Max models are discontinued. Pakistan में 16 की prices are the cheapest in the world.
मैं एक layman हूँ, मैंने latest iPhone लेना है, कैसे लूँ?
देखें, हमारी कोशिश ये होगी कि we will surprise and delight our customers.
अच्छा.
ठीक है, and we'll make the price so competitive कि कोई right left की तरफ ना देखे कि हमने पाकिस्तान से खरीदा.
How excited is your team for the iPhone 17 global launch?
कल रात से हम सोए नहीं है जी. 10 बजे was the session where 3 new product ranges were introduced.
कब आ रहा है पाकिस्तान?
कब आ रहा है, कब कर रहे
तो
हैं?
कब आ रहा है पाकिस्तान?
बड़ी जल्दी आ रहा है जी. So I think we are on the radar. So I mean there's a process where the PTA approval and everything has to be done, and we will keep the prices super competitive. The best is the 2 years warranty. First time in Pakistan की, right? So कि आप अपनी डिवाइस लाएं, साल के बाद हम इतने ही खरीद लेंगे, दूसरी ले जाएं.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to another episode of How Does It Work, a podcast by Pro Pakistani. We have a very special guest back on the podcast. Numan Durrani Saab is the CEO of Mercantile in Pakistan and I think in Asia as well.
Yeah, Sage, South Asia.
South Asia. पहली बात तो बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आपने हमें टाइम दिया आपके बिजी स्केड्यूल से. आप और मैं अभी ऑफ एयर भी डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि श्रीलंका, बांग्लादेश, so much happening in the world of Apple. And for our viewers that don't know you, Mercantile and its relationship to Apple भी आप थोड़ा सा हमें वापस बता दें for the newer listeners on the podcast. फिर आप मुझे ये बता दें कि that everybody wants to talk about, which is the iPhone and what's it going to be like, and then we'll get into price points and all those things as well.
Fantastic, Jan. Thanks a lot for having me over. It's a pleasure. So Mercantile is the authorized distributor and service provider for Southeast Asia, for Sage, multiple countries, so, and Pakistan is one of the largest countries, and that's why I'm based out of here. So it's a Singapore-based multinational operating across the globe, so that's we are, and Pakistan is our crown jewel, as I say, it's a very important country. Being a Pakistani, mere liye important hai. I'm based here, I look after the region, but that's what we are.
Achha. Or how excited is your team for the iPhone 17 global launch?
कल रात से हम सोए नहीं है जी. 10 बजे was the session where 3 new product ranges were introduced, great features and everything. AirPods with, the translation feature, which is amazing. Then the watch with blood pressure monitoring, I think, which is good. And of course, the iPhone lineup with the new series. Everybody's excited. कल रात को बस वो हुआ, उसके बाद सुबह से we have been working, so it's an exciting day and it's a pleasure to be here talking to you for the first time on that. Yeah.
अच्छा, मुझे ये बताएं कि before I even get into the, the products themselves in Pakistan and the various issues there are, how do you feel Apple's innovation has been in the last decade? The conversation aati hai na, because, so for example, I'm a big Apple user. I think the innovation has been fantastic. But obviously there is another opinion of people कि यार वो जो शुरू में innovation करते थे कि iPod बनाया, ये बनाया, वो next level tha. And that's fair, but it's easier to make a big jump than it is to make a smaller jump. But I wanted to get your opinion on, you've seen the new product line. How much innovation do you think Apple has been doing?
I think people associate innovation with the hardware changes, right? कि जी इसके अंदर design change हो गया and everything, but Apple spends years in getting the design rights, right? And the innovation primarily comes more in the software and improving those designs, right? I mean, when you talk about battery works 2x, right now on the new AirPods, you can go across the Atlantic without charging it one. I think there's a lot of innovation that is coming in, and it is keeping up, so that's why a lot of people, as I said even last time, 9 out of 10 people prefer the Apple ecosystem, and that is the case. And hype hui bhi hai, people want. I mean, I've been getting calls right, left and center कि जी
कब आ रहा है पाकिस्तान?
कब आ रहा है, कब कर रहे हैं?
तो कब आ रहा है पाकिस्तान?
बड़ी जल्दी आ रहा है जी. So I think we are on the radar. So I mean there's a process where the PTA approval and everything has to be done.
Or I'm sure people want to know this. आपको कोई idea है कि how much an iPhone 17 will cost in Pakistan?
लेकिन जी ग्लोबल प्राइसेस तो आ गई हैं, सो एज आई वाज सेइंग कि जी पाकिस्तान में 16 की प्राइसेस आर द चीपेस्ट इन द वर्ल्ड,
अच्छा
सो मार्क माय वर्ड एंड आई विल रिपीट इट,
हम्म,
cheapest in the world excluding the period tax, so way cheaper than Dubai, way cheaper than others. So we want to capture the market further, and we will keep the prices super competitive, and that will be coupled with a lot of other things which will be the bells and whistles. Or uske alawa the best is the 2 years warranty, which if somebody wants to go and buy it from Dubai, they'll get 1 year, which our service centers of course will support. But if you buy through the mercantile product in Pakistan, it will be a 2 years warranty, which is a big plus for
of
a
course
big investment, right? So
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल it's a sizable investment तो it's good to have the warranty. अच्छा मुझे बताएं ना कि आपने भी बताया कि you're trying to sort of capture the market. क्या progress since we've last talked? What's the market like? आप पाकिस्तान में locally a lot of people bring iPhones from abroad, फिर वो यहाँ पे आके वो क्या कहते हैं उसे PTI अनलॉक करते हैं जैसा भी है. What's the market growing like in Pakistan? आपने कहा ना बड़ी की मार्केट है आप लोगों के लिए.
yeah, thinking market is there are two ways of looking at it. One is the iOS adoption growth, so when we look at the iOS value share, I'll just give you an estimation. It is about 10 to 11%, so value share. When we talk about the growth, there are two ways of looking at it. One is kg hum organically how much we are growing versus others, and which is primarily the other platform, as well as how much is the official share in the country. So official share has gone multiple folds. अब जो लोग होते थे कि जी and a few retailers that they would bring a few devices दुबई से ले आए and everything, that has gone down because it is not viable for them. क्योंकि अगर वो PTA tax pay करते हैं, which I assume that most of the people who are going for a sizable investment, they're going to pay for that, it's going to be way more expensive than what we are going to launch in Pakistan. और 16 में भी हुआ है. So retail channel जो है ना, जो shopkeepers and everything, they have totally done away with that because they lost a lot of money on that. अगर कोई किसी का relation and everything and they want to be the first one to get it, though that's a separate category. So we are not seeing that. So growth is coming from 2-3 different angles, that we are driving the affordability very strongly in Pakistan. Again, as I say कि जी Apple everybody wants it, issue is the price point. और price point को affordability में दो elements के ऊपर हम काम कर रहे हैं और we have been quite successful. एक है जो number one is our trade-in program. हमने जैज़ के साथ शुरू किया, वेरी सक्सेसफुल. उसके बाद हमने अपना मर्केंटाइल प्रेफर्ड प्रोग्राम अबाउट 40 रिटेलर्स, टॉप रिटेलर्स अक्रॉस द कंट्री, उन्हें जो है वी हैव टेकन देम ऑन बोर्ड एंड दोज गाइज आर ऑन आवर बिहाफ डूइंग द ट्रेड इन. उससे अफोर्डेबिलिटी आती है. देखिए अगर डिवाइस इज फॉर 450,000 एंड योर एग्जिस्टिंग डिवाइस इज फॉर 200,000 तो 3 लाख रुपए पे आपका वो अफोर्डेबिलिटी हो गई, सो. एंड सेकेंड इज विद आवर बैंकिंग पार्टनर्स, जस्ट टू नेम अ फ्यू, अल्फा मॉल एंड एवरीथिंग, दे हैव ऑप्शंस ओवर देयर कि उन्हीं स्टोर्स जो हमारे मर्केंटाइल प्रेफर्ड पार्टनर्स हैं उसके ऊपर आप जाएं, यू स्वाइप देयर कार्ड एंड बाकी को आप 12 months installments पे, 24 months installment पे कर सकते हो. So both with our banks, with the telco partners and our mercantile preferred partners, we are bringing the affordability. और उस affordability की वजह से जो pie size है of iPhone is increasing,
अच्छा बैंक्स को मुझे बताएं, कैन एनीवन सॉर्ट ऑफ गेट द बाय नाउ पे लेटर डील और डू यू हैव टू हैव अ सर्टेन क्रेडिट हिस्ट्री? आई नो बाहर तो क्रेडिट हिस्ट्री और इस तरह की चीज़ें होती हैं, इधर क्या इज इट अ मिनिमम वेज दैट यू हैव टू बी ऑन? कैसे हाउ एम आई एलिजिबल और नॉट एलिजिबल फॉर इट?
देखिए जी banks at this point in time, because they are looking at their credit card base. So if the qualifying metrics is that you have a credit card, based on that they are offering the BNPL, and it is not only for iPhone. We've also bought the entire range, which is the Mac and iPads and everything, because that's a sizable market and people want that. So it is based on credit card. You go, it's a very simple thing. You buy it from any of our mercantile preferred partners. Just call up the bank. You have a credit card, and they'll make it into equal installments. Or if you want to get a new card, just call them up, and if you qualify, you can do it. So it's based on the credit card at this point in time. Yeah.
अच्छा मुझे ये बताएं कि बाकी प्रोडक्ट्स की अपने भी बात की, देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ एप्पल इकोसिस्टम, सिर्फ फ़ोन तो नहीं है. What's that like in Pakistan? What's the growth like? What new products are coming? आपने भी बात भी की ना, there were multiple products launched last night. So what is the sort of growth or what's the for everything from the iPad to AirPods, whatever it is, what's the growth like there?
Significant, G. I think that if you divide it into two, one is the wearables, the watch, and the AirPods. Everybody loves it. So whether they are, especially AirPods, even if they're not on the ecosystem of Apple, they want it. So that is doing very, very well because they're definitely the market lead in that category. Watch is that a lot of iPhone users want it, So and I think we have great numbers. It's growing. The new lineup is phenomenal, starting at the SC and going up to Ultra. So it's amazing, So we have a lot of demand, and these are available at our MPP stores, and eventually they'll be available with the banks as well and with the telcos. So that is on the watch and the wearables. Then Mac. I think Mac adoption is increasing. The top executives, number one, they all want Macs, as well as all the Gen Zs and the students want Mac, So we have signed up with institutions like Beacon House very recently, who are offering to their employees as well as their students these things. So we are trying to increase the ecosystem. So हमारे जो corporate deals चल रही हैं, plus consumer and everything. So it's doing well. So I think both MacBook as well as iPad, we are seeing a substantial growth in Pakistan because people want it. पहले ये होता था कि हमारे पास service centers नहीं थे as such, right? Now Mercantile is providing Apple authorized service. So लोगों का confidence built हो रहा है कि जी if I buy something from here, it will be serviced, because these are expensive investments. I'll not call this as expenses in Pakistan, I'll call them as investments. And the investments people want कि जी there is a warranty. जिस तरह हम आप गाड़ी लेते हो तो आप देखते हो कि यार उसकी service है, उसकी dealership है या नहीं. So that is the case. And we are kind of bringing that up. Yeah.
And Pakistan as a market, is continuously changing. हम अभी ऑफेयर भी ये बात कर रहे थे कि it's been through a few bumpy years. Volatile रही है, political instability, बहुत सारी चीज़ें. It's been a tough few years. अब तो जंग भी हो गई है. तो how do you see the market? Just because you guys are a big player in this space. आपको मार्केट कैसी लग रही है? मैं आपसे पूछूं कि अगले 3 से 5 साल what is your sort of view, or what is your company's viewpoint on where is Pakistan headed?
Pakistan, when we look at from a global lens, I'll not say from a Pakistan lens, is that we are in the last about 1.5-2 years, we are seeing stability. We are, the GDP growth is not very high, but stability brings GDP growth, right? So the foreign exchange has been stable. So those are all good indicators from that perspective. And from a consumer sentiment points, we have seen with the iPhone 16 and the rest of series that consumers' purchase power is also, at least in these segments, I'll not say across the board, high segment ke upar, so it is increasing. People are spending, they want the devices. And our projection for Pakistan at Mercantile is growth. And we see this in one of the top countries in Southeast Asia. जिसके अंदर the growth होगी. Look at our population size only, So it's a huge population. I think about 60% of our population is below 20 years. So and they are all tech savvy. They want to adopt. They are on all social media. So this is going to grow. I think we are in the right direction from a lot of perspective.
चलो, that's good to hear. नहीं, हाँ, बस कभी-कभार हमें भी दिल की तसल्ली चाहिए होती है.
लेकिन अगर positive रहेंगे तो होएगा. Of course, there are gaps everywhere, and I just hope that the policies are for the long run, because अगर हम policies को हर 6 महीने बाद tweak करेंगे, then the investor confidence goes down. We need to have that, and if that is the case, I think we are in the right track.
Actually, so back to the iPhone. So 17 आ रहा है, what happens to 16 and its price points and everything in Pakistan? Does there's that whole conversation of the change. आपने भी बात की कि it's the cheapest in Pakistan pre-PTA tax. तो आप लोग अब as an entity, when you get the new iPhone, what happens to the sales of the older iPhone? You must have some data for this, right?
If we look at the Apple trends for the past so many years, usually the Pro Max models are discontinued, and the base models of that continue. So 16 ka Pro Max will discontinue, the new ones will come in, but the base models, I think up to 13 or 14 will continue, at different price points. So ab jitna हमारे पास stock है channel के अंदर, that will be out in a couple of days. I think everybody knows the date, so the channel knows how to manage it well. And 17 के लिए तैयारी पकड़ेंगे. That's how it works, yeah.
अच्छा, मुझे अब ये बताएं कि what is your sort of the next bits, right? So iPhone 17 आ गया, Pakistan were thinking of hoping चलें अल्लाह करे बेहतर हो रही हो as a market. Where do you sort of want it to go from here, right? We had a last conversation on like strategic lens ज़्यादा थी. अगर मैं आपसे practically पूछूं, अच्छा यार, what is the next 12 months that you're hoping for? Or 18 months that you're hoping for? What are you hoping, how does Pakistan perform? What can it do better? What trends are you seeing in terms of your product with the Pakistani audience?
देखिए जी, they are, it's a step-by-step approach, right? So in terms of the business, first is that you establish the credibility. The brand is very well established. The distribution and after sales in the retail was a challenge. I think we have come a long way in the last year or so. So we are expecting and seeing a lot of growth. Now we also want to kind of work with Apple and see कि हम बाकी services platform को किस तरह पाकिस्तान में ला सकें. And that's what I'm trying. I can't commit on that because that's Apple's decision. But
What are these services that?
I mean, when we talk about Apple Pay, I'm just giving an example, right? So that's important one.
Yeah.
So इसी तरह when we talk about the ecosystem, right? So we work with more developers to get them on iOS, right? So जितना share iOS का बढ़ेगा उतने लोग ज़्यादा काम करेंगे, right? So that is another angle. Second is when we talk about business and enterprise, we want to be there to service them because there's a big demand for that as well. So we are just seeing from a lens of growth, but I think जो explosion है ना, that will be driven by affordability, and that's will either
आप हमारी हुकूमत से बात कर रहे हैं अफोर्डेबिलिटी के लिए कि यार पीटीए का टैक्स थोड़ा कम कर दे हमारे लिए यार.
टैक्स के ऊपर ही आई थिंक हमने लास्ट टाइम भी बात की थी. आई थिंक वी हैव हैड मल्टीपल कॉन्वर्सेशंस कि जी टैक्स को इस तरह रखा जाए ताकि overall tax collection goes up, right? It's a bade, we all want to pay taxes,
of
right? Because that's a necessity, right?
Yeah.
So
it's just it's the modality of it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So let's make it that way that overall pie increases, right? I mean, if the tax goes down, I think the simulation is that how much more will come into the country and everything. So I think those are the conversations which are ongoing. I think government is facilitating, they're listening to us, and I think at the right point in time, right decisions will be made.
And आपने भी थोड़ी देर पहले बात की थी of 10-11% sort of market share, iOS market share की आप बात कर रहे थे, which made me think, do you have any data? आप for example हम बांग्लादेश की बात कर रहे थे beginning of this podcast कि आप उधर भी काम करते हैं. What is the average market share for Apple products in say other countries like Pakistan? So Bangladesh कह लें, Sri Lanka कह लें, other South Asian countries. What's the average market share? Are we at what the average is, or are we below it?
So I think when I was talking about 11 to 12%, that is the value share.
Right.
When we talk about, let's say, Pakistan में अगर $100 के सारे फ़ोन बिक रहे हैं, all of them, right? उसमें से तकरीबन 10 या so iOS का जो otherwise share in Pakistan is about 2%, right? So जो actual, because devices
2% of people who have a phone have an iPhone.
Right? So comparing it to similar markets, right? So if you talk about our neighbors, right? So there the adoption is at least 3 times of us, right?
So 6%.
Yeah, I'm approximately, I don't have an exact number, but significantly higher. और उसकी reason यही थी कि when the financial institutions and the banks, they got into the EMI/BNPL products, suddenly the market exploded, right? And that is what we are trying to work with our banking partners to see how we can explore, because again, affordability, so everybody wants it. 99% can't afford it. और उसे अगर आप affordability को ले आएंगे, then it helps. Again, right now I think we are in a way better situation, so the economy is stabilizing, consumer loans at about 15%, you kind of bring the money from different buckets, our margins and everything, and make it a value proposition for that. B is, how do you go beyond the credit card users? I think because that is very, very important, right? So how we can go for more structured loans, looking at different modeling, which a few banks do. If we are able to crack that, because again, banks के लिए it's also a risk, right? So अगर लोग पैसे लेके दौड़ जाएं, because we don't really have a mechanism where they are blocked across networks, and I was talking to one of the presidents in one of the telcos, and that was the biggest problem. Is कि जी अगर phone लेके कोई दौड़ जाता है, like the State Bank for the financial institutions, they have said कि जी we will block them across board. इसी तरह if PT is able to kind of black label, if I'm the one who's defaulting and my credit card is black labeled across board, whether all the telcos and everything, फिर लोग क्या खेल पड़ेंगे, otherwise unsecured loan में risk बहुत ज़्यादा है. So the government and the telecom and the financial sector and us have to work kind of together to bring that, and then that's where the growth is really going to come in.
And for my own curiosity, let's take America. That must be the best example. What percentage of people own an iPhone in America?
अमेरिका का तो मैं आपको नहीं बता सकता जी, बट कनाडा में आई वाज वर्किंग विद एप्पल, सो आई थिंक अबाउट 80% ऑफ द पीपल ओन
80%.
या
Wow.
या 80%.
मैं बस ये देखना चाह रहा था कि कितनी ग्रोथ पॉसिबल है. वाओ. या
आई मीन मुझे तो जो है कनाडा के अंदर कोई और फोन हार्डली नजर आते थे, बिकॉज दैट्स बीइंग ड्रिवन बिकॉज अगेन रीजंस वही हैं. अगर इवन राइट नाउ अगर कनाडा, यूएस, यूरोप की बात करें, उधर भी इफ़ यू लुक एट कि जी अगर $1400 का फ़ोन है ना, और अगर जो है इट इज़ नॉट ऑन इंस्टॉलमेंट्स, EMI, BNPL, उनका शेयर भी 3-4% पे आ जाएगा. इट इज़ द अफोर्डेबिलिटी, बट देन विद दोज अफोर्डेबिलिटी जो है इट इज़ द टेलकोज एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड दे हैव टू बी सिक्योर्ड, सो
आई थिंक इवन पाकिस्तान में मैं लोगों से यही बहस करता हूँ जो लोग कहते हैं वो अमेरिका में उसने घर खरीद लिया, ये मॉर्गेजेस सिस्टम्स, मतलब फॉर दोज हु हैव लिव्ड इन यूरोप और द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स और एनीवेयर, तो वो सिस्टम्स आपको इतनी लीवे देते हैं. बहुत मुश्किल है एक बंदा 20 करोड़ रुपए का घर खरीदे, 5 लाख रुपए का फ़ोन करे, 1 करोड़ रुपए की गाड़ी खरीदे, कैश. बहुत मुश्किल है ये. देयर आर दोज फॉर्चुनेट फ्यू, लेकिन वो कम ही होते हैं. अच्छा, मैं अगर आपसे अब ये सॉर्ट ऑफ समझना चाहूँ कि अभी आपने बात की थी ना ऑफ सॉर्ट ऑफ द ग्रोथ एंड व्हाट यू हैव एज अ लॉन्गर टर्म मेजर, ये जो sort of the iPhone 17 है specifically, do you guys have internal targets in mind कि यार okay इस region South Asia में we expect X amount to be sold?
Of course,
yeah.
So
what are they?
That's a bit of a confidential number.
Fair enough.
Maybe next year when we're sitting, when I would have achieved my number, I'll share it with you. so that, yes,
fair enough. There's a confidentiality thing here. मैं बस ये देखना चाह रहा था कि like are we talking millions? खैर, but उसी तरीके से फिर मैं अगर आपसे ये भी पूछूं कि of course there's a confidence in the product, right? और आहिस्ता आहिस्ता there is a growth in these markets. जो mercantile है, what's its relationship like with Apple? So walk us through that as well. I know हमने थोड़ी सी पिछली पॉडकास्ट में इसके बारे में डिस्कस किया था, but what I want to sort of understand is when the market fully sort of grows, let's say हम भी आ जाते हैं, खैर बहुत मुश्किल है कि I'm not going to say हम अमेरिका की तरफ बन जाते because that sounds ridiculous, लेकिन हम grow करते हैं at a very very nice rate, ठीक है, इंशाल्लाह. Does eventually sort of mercantile step out of these countries and Apple comes in directly? Is that the sort of transition? What happens? So for example, the UAE recently started having Apple stores. ये पहले नहीं होते थे. So walk me through like how does that relationship between your organization and Apple work?
Okay, so पहले आपने you asked me the question about Apple and Mercantile's relationship. So we have been their official value-added distributor. There are different tiers. VAD is where we have the responsibility to do everything in the countries, supply chain, logistics, of course under their umbrella, the marketing, the relationship with the telcos, the relationship with the bank. So we've been doing that since 2009, in Sage Markets, right? So that is number one. Number two, we have a great relationship with them, so we work with them on a very regular basis. Apple teams, our account executives, and also we speak to them on a daily basis. My team speak to them. So it's everything we do is under Apple guidance, supervision, and collaboration. So number one, so our relationship is great. The second question was कि जी how does the markets transition? So अगर आप UAE के example लें, so still they have VADs in those markets, and then in certain markets, I think a handful in the country where Apple has opened up their store, right? So other store hota hai that Apple is managed directly, but the rest of the business is managed by the VADs, so that's
so even in Europe, for example, या अमेरिका में भी VADs वगैरह होते हैं. अच्छा, वीएडी और एक नॉर्मल डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर में फ़र्क क्या होता है? सो आप जिस तरह आपने बात की सप्लाई चेन, लॉजिस्टिक्स, इज़ इट दैट यू स्टार्ट एज़ अ नॉर्मल लाइक डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, आप कोई लाइसेंस लेते हैं एंड देन आहिस्ता यू वर्क योर वे अप, और इज़ इट समथिंग दैट फ्रॉम डे वन ही मिलता है?
I think there are different criteria for it, but when we're talking about multiple markets, large markets, size of the business, that becomes a VAD. ये जिस तरह Apple का होता है कि जी Apple authorized resellers and everything, there are different categories of that, right? So अगर मैं उससे बात करूँ तो बहुत time लग जाएगा, but this is like the top tier category.
चलें, फिर मैं आपसे आखिरी सवाल इसके ही रिलेटेड था।
हम्म,
आप मेरे साथ चलें,
हम्म,
मैं चलें मार्केट्स के नाम नहीं लूँगा, फिर वो बेचारी दुकान वाले मुझे कहेंगे।
हम्म,
लेकिन बहुत सारी मार्केट्स हैं, इस्लामाबाद में, लाहौर में, कराची में, हर दुकान पे ना एप्पल का लोगो लगा होता है। A lot of them are obviously not directly correlated. यहाँ पे कोई कॉपीराइट इन्फ्रिंजमेंट या ऐसी चीज़ें आप लोग कर रहे हैं? बिकॉज़ आई सी अ लॉट ऑफ signs of stores that don't look like they're officially partners with Apple, or just random. For example, कोई बंदा कह रहा है कि मेरे पास इसकी राइट्स हैं। क्या यहाँ पे अनफॉर्चुनेटली बहुत लोग झूठ बोलते हैं। देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ कॉपीराइट इन्फ्रिंजमेंट जो वैसे भी पाकिस्तान में होती है। ऑल मल्टीनेशनल्स फेस इट। तो आप लोग इन चैलेंजेस को कैसे डील कर रहे हैं?
ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग आपने क्वेश्चन किया। आई मीन कि यू गो टू अ सर्टेन एरिया, यू विल सी अ लॉट ऑफ अनऑथराइज्ड, इसे हम आईपी इन्फ्रिंजमेंट कहते हैं, राइट? सो वी वर्क विद एप्पल, जो हमारा मर्केंटाइल प्रेफर्ड प्रोग्राम है, जिसके अंदर वी हैव अबाउट 40 स्टोर्स एंड वी आर गोइंग टू ग्रो। सो आप विजिट करें, यू नो, सो देयर फ्यू इन इस्लामाबाद, फ्यू इन लाहौर, कराची एंड एवरीथिंग, यू विल सी दैट देयर आर नो आईपी इन्फ्रिंजमेंट। सो दैट वाज द एग्रीमेंट विद दोज retailers, the independent retailers, कि जी you have to do it. At the same time, Apple is taking this now very, very seriously. It's their brand and everything, and IP infringements, you will see them going down. Or wherever we see serious IP infringements, you know, so हम उन्हें बताते हैं, and then Apple has to kind of work around that कि क्या करना है. But yeah, that's an issue which is being resolved. But Apple logo cannot be used without Apple's permission, right?
बिल्कुल।
जिस तरह, I mean, we have two logos with us, कि जी we are an Apple authorized distributor and Apple service provider, right? So those are, we have earned those badges. इसी तरह the if somebody earns a badge of a reseller, only then can they can display. बाकी सारा it's a matter of time. I think we are going towards maturity of the market, and I would seriously recommend कि आप कोई mercantile preferred partner को visit करें, and you will see the difference. So we are trying to organize the channel a bit, so people feel also comfortable going over there. So that's the whole idea.
क्योंकि अभी वही होता है ना कि वो जिस तरह लाहौर में बड़ कढ़ाई है तो 6, 8, 7 खोल देते हैं, तो अब आपको पता ही नहीं है उस केओस में उस मंडी में किसका क्या है। जिस तरह आपने बात की ना, the IP infringement issue is also, I think, one of the reasons that a lot of people are buying, you know, suitcases full of iPhones, या बाहर से अपने कज़न से मंगवा रहे हैं एक्सेट्रा, is because वो इतने साल आपको एक साइकोलॉजिकल डैमेज हुआ है ना कि आपको बिलीफ सिस्टम चला गया कि यार इसमें से अब मैं क्या पता क्या ओरिजिनल है क्या नहीं है।
और इसीलिए आई थिंक अंजू, फॉर अस दीज operator partnerships, because operators are credible brands, so people know कि they'll get the authentic products over there. Second is our MPP stores with हमारी जो एक golden seal होती है, right, which is very, very famous in the country, and coupled with the 2-year warranty and all those things, people are buying, you know. So I mean, we have seen a significant shift in the consumer behavior in the last about 2 years journey, where most of the people who used to buy, they want to buy it over here, you know, because value proposition है ना, so price अच्छी है, warranty है, service है,
yeah,
you know,
so I bought my iPhone because वही है ना, the conversation now makes sense.
yes,
right?
it makes sense, exactly. Yeah.
अच्छा, तो सर एक तो हमें आपसे एक्सक्लूसिव चाहिए होगा ना, बिफोर वी सॉर्ट ऑफ मूव ऑन। प्राइस पॉइंट आपने, आई नो आपने बोला अभी वो सारी चीज़ें होंगी, PTA एक्सेट्रा, लेकिन कुछ तो बताए ना। अगर $1100-1200 बाहर है, चलें ऐसा कर लेते हैं, 16 की जो प्राइस पॉइंट थी, विल इट बी सिमिलर टू दैट प्राइस पॉइंट?
ग्रेट, पहले फोन आप लेंगे, पहले ये बताएं, आप मुझे कंफर्म करें,
डन,
ठीक है, प्री बुकिंग करें
आप, प्री बुक है।
ठीक है, वंडरफुल। देखें, हमारी कोशिश ये होगी कि वी विल सरप्राइज एंड डिलाइट आवर कस्टमर्स,
अच्छा,
ठीक है, एंड वील मेक द प्राइस सो कम्पिटिटिव कि कोई राइट लेफ्ट की तरफ ना देखे कि हमने पाकिस्तान से खरीदना है। दैट आई कैन कमिट एंड गारंटी।
ठीक है। अच्छा, मुझे इसके बारे में बताएं कि आप एंटरप्राइज वगैरह का भी काम करते हैं, That's not most the consumer products are discussed more always. लेकिन उसके बारे में भी थोड़ा सा हमें बताएं. What's going on that front?
देखिए जी, एंटरप्राइज जो है जिसे हम कॉर्पोरेट कस्टमर्स कहते हैं, बिग कॉर्पोरेशंस एंड एवरीथिंग,
yeah.
सो वी स्टार्ट फोकसिंग ऑन दैम, सो नॉट फ्रॉम ओनली फ्रॉम हार्डवेयर पर्सपेक्टिव बट फ्रॉम जो एप्पल के एग्रीगेटर्स एंड एवरीथिंग टू काइंड ऑफ
Aggregators क्या होते हैं?
एग्रीगेटर्स होते हैं कि जी लेट्स से इफ देयर इज अ सॉफ्टवेयर जो विच इज़ ओनली फॉर hospitality, right? कि जी जो hotels के अंदर restaurants में, so that works on an iPad. So we want to get the devices. We want to go to these large organizations in that area and say कि जी you buy the iPads for ordering your kitchen management and everything. And this is the player जो पूरा उसका software देगा, So we want to give a complete ecosystem experience from that. उस पे Apple and their teams are helping us a lot as well. So for us, I think the growth engine is significantly in the enterprise as well as in the एजुकेशन सेक्टर, दोनों पे हम काम कर रहे हैं.
अच्छा, एजुकेशन सेक्टर में फॉर एग्जांपल देयर बी एड ऑन प्रोडक्ट्स अलोंग विद द एप्पल प्रोडक्ट्स, एंड अगेन एंटरप्राइज में भी ऐसा होगा. आपने भी एक बड़ा अच्छा एग्जांपल दिया किचन रिलेटेड. नाउ कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स? जस्ट गिव मी लाइक 3-4 फॉर माय ओन अंडरस्टैंडिंग.
ओके, देखिए अगर हम बात करते हैं मैक्स की, मैकबुक के अंदर एक होता है मोबाइल डिवाइस मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम. उसके अंदर डिवाइस कैन बी लॉक्ड ऑन सर्टन थिंग्स. अगर एक यूनिवर्सिटी अपने स्टूडेंट्स को डिवाइसेस दे रही है, राइट, और लेट्स से द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान इज गिविंग इट टू पुलिस, दे कैन लॉक इट कि जी इट विल ओनली बी यूज्ड फॉर अ सर्टन एप्लीकेशंस एंड एवरीथिंग, राइट. सो दैट बिकम्स एन MDM. सिमिलरली बिकॉज दुनिया में सोल्यूशंस हो रहे हैं, आई मीन इफ देयर इज एन एयरलाइन सोल्यूशन and we are talking about that bagging that big deal, so we'll work with our teams, Apple की enterprise जिन्हें business and education कहते हैं, we'll work with them to bring that into Pakistan, because we want to give the complete experience, not only a hardware experience, we want to give the software experience, plus एक और चीज़ जो हमने अभी Jazz की business team के साथ लॉक की है, which is a big deal, is कि जी their corporate customers every 1 or 2 years they can get their device changed, which is called assured buyback program. First time in Pakistan again, right? So कि आप अपनी डिवाइस लाएं, साल के बाद हम इतने ही खरीद लेंगे, दूसरी ले जाएं. So Jazz has done it. The rest of the guys are doing that as well. So that's a big thing for enterprise, right?
अच्छा, Jazz की हमने बात की, बाकी टेलकोस की भी कर लेते हैं. Zong और बाकी हमारे भाइयों के साथ आप क्या काम कर रहे हैं? What are the अच्छा, first walk me through this. Do you have the exact same relationship / deals with each telco, or are each one specific to themselves?
देखिए जी, every one of them is individual based on their customer base and what do they want to kind of get from there. Because I mean, iPhone is basically, it works 3 ways for any telco. It's an enabler to acquire new customers, high-end devices. So जो भी customer आएगा, so it is going to be a high ARPU customer. So it's an acquisition. B is, it is a retention device. अगर हम हर 2 साल बाद replace telco कर रहे हैं device and everything, customer तो उनके पास रहेगा, because churn is a big problem in the Pakistani market, right? Both on the fixed as well as from the seller side. A lot of people leave the network. So it is to retain and to make sure that the churn doesn't happen. Third thing is that globally iPhone users use way more data, and this is coming from the telcos, about 16 to 18% higher than other OS. So that means higher usage means higher revenue for them. So that is the thing. And इनके साथ जो when we talk about the value propositions, they are different with different telcos. Jazz is offering right now, मैं 16 का बता सकता हूँ, 17 का it is going to be soon. I mean, आपको मैंने बताया था they're going to launch, but they are giving BNPL to their postpaids thing. They are giving insurance. They are giving free GB. They are giving free minutes. They are giving trade-in facilities. So it's a full-fledged thing with Jazz, right? अगर हम बात करें for Zong के साथ we have recently signed. For the first time we'll be launching with them, and they are going to come up with the amazing offer for their customer base and everything. इसी तरह when you talk about PDCL and Ufone, we started working with them a while back, and their proposition was free insurance. अगर आपका फ़ोन गुम जाता है या डैमेज हो जाता है तो तकरीबन 4.5 लाख रुपए की free insurance है.
Wow.
Yeah, so everybody is bringing their own value for the customer, right? So again, three things जो है, it is acquisition, retention, and higher usage. That's what's there for them, and I think iPhone does a great job globally. That's why the telcos want to work with the entire Apple ecosystem.
अच्छा, बहुत सारी हमारी conversation has been around जो नया iPhone आ रहा है, the sort of new services we're providing. What about the service centers? So a lot of people who are getting these iPhones, जिस तरह आपने उनको कहा, वो एक let's say एक surety आना शुरू हो गई है. What is their experiences been like? Because वही बात है, a lot of people have spent years. मैं इतने लोगों को जानता हूँ जो दुबई की फ्लाइट काट के अपना फ़ोन सर्विस कराने जाते थे एक ज़माने में. So what is their experiences like in these service centers? What are the good, the bad, and the ugly?
The good and the bad, the ugly. So I think service centers, we have opened up the first two ones, one in Islamabad and Lahore. Karachi is in the works. Very Apple look and feel wise, you know.
Achha.
So we have got trained staff who have been trained on entire Apple product range, not only iPhone, starting from the Mac to the iPad to the watch to the accessories to the iPhone, everything. So these guys are trained. So we are connected to the Apple system. So if the device is under warranty, come to our center, we will connect with the Apple system, and whatever the system says, whether it needs a software update or it needs a hardware update, customer will be served, you know, and will have an amazing experience, you know, world-class experience over there. If the device is out of warranty, we'll tell them that this is the cost of the device, and customer if he's willing to pay that, his device will be either serviced, fixed or replaced, you know. So or replacing के अंदर कई मर्तबा they get almost a new device if the battery is low at a very, very minimal cost, you know. So I think that is there, and the good is that for the customers that they are going to get the service, they are happy with it. I mean, we are getting every day more and more customers coming here. The bad and the ugly is कि अगर कई मर्तबा हम customers को उस point के ऊपर we are unable to satisfy and everything, then we have to do it back. So for me and my team, customer is the most important. It's an investment. As I've said multiple times, we have to make sure that they go happy with us. क्योंकि service center खुश तो कोई नहीं आता ना, so they come with that. But one other thing we have in our service centers is we are authorized to sell accessories. So a lot of people want chargers and everything, so they are welcome to visit our service centers, and they'll get all genuine Apple products, you know, accessories, AirPods and everything, which is good, you know. So authenticity is there, right?
Perfect.
आप भी visit करें, you know.
Definitely. मैंने आई थिंक आपका इस्लामाबाद वाला विजिट किया हुआ है. माय वाइफ वांट टू बाय सम एयरपॉड्स रिसेंटली, तो वो उसने गूगल करके मुझे लेके गई थी, लेकिन डेफिनेटली वो तो चक्कर लगता रहेगा. चलें सर, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आप हमें हमेशा टाइम देते हैं, हमेशा इंटरेस्टिंग बातें बताते हैं. वी विल डेफिनेटली बग यू अगेन सम टाइम, अगले आईफोन लॉन्च पे या अगले मेजर लॉन्च पे इंशाल्लाह आपको वापस तक करेंगे. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आपने टाइम दिया. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed our content, please do subscribe to our channel, and we will see you for the next podcast.